Ooh. Ah, I wanna know. Is that what you're singing? My mum and I are going to a drive-in cinema. We just had a bit of a drama. So I'm not going to bring my camera with me because I don't know what this night entails. Let's see what the night holds. Morning. Let's just not talk about my face or anything. Hello, my little loves. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Not really looking my best this morning. My makeup is kind of half done. Today's a bit of a weird one. I'm actually filming like an audition tape today for something, which could be really exciting, but I guess we'll wait and see. So I'm kind of halfway through my makeup. I'm going to film that a little bit later on, but I need to pop into town and I wanted to go before 3 o'clock, so I'm going to finish my makeup a bit later. But it's actually Thursday today. I haven't been very well this week. All day Tuesday I was just in bed with a really bad headache. I couldn't even like look at the light or anything. It was awful. Yesterday I still had a really sore throat. I am feeling a bit better today, but if my voice sounds a little bit funny, that's why. So I decided not to vlog that because it wasn't a fun time. But anyway, for right now I need to go to town, get some like Christmas cards, Christmas gift bags, things like that. Hey guys, I'm now back. I've been back for quite a while. I've got changed because I've just filmed the thing that I had to film today. But because I was in Doncaster this weekend and then I didn't vlog for a few days, I haven't opened my advent calendars since the 4th of December. Oh my god, that's a lot of chocolate to catch up on. Buzzing, mate. And I know how much you all love me lyrical advent calendar opening. Are you ready? Here we go. On the 5th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me a strawberry shower gel. On the 6th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me a coconut bath bubble. On the 7th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me a chamomile makeup remover. Oh, that was a difficult one. That didn't go well. On the 8th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me a green tea bath bomb. On the 9th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me an almond milk and honey hand cream. That was the best one. Hands down, the best one yet. I'm a musical genius. On the 10th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me a pink grapefruit gel lotion. Wow, that song. You win some, you lose some. On the 11th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me... Oh. This. On the 12th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me a liquid eyeliner. Went for the big notes there. On the 13th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me, ooh, a lip liner in the shade Hot Day. Is that it? Is it the 13th today? Oh, that's the last one for now. I was having a good time then. Not gonna lie, that took all of 3 minutes. If that. Hey guys, I'm not looking my best today, but today is Friday. It's actually Friday evening now. The time is currently 4:45, and tonight I'm going to something very exciting. So my mum and I are going to a drive-in cinema. It's in Chelmsford. We're going to watch Elf. It's going to be super cute. I think we get food when we're there. I booked it ages ago and I'm really excited for it. So got my Christmas jumper on, got my joggers on, got my scarf. I'm cozy. I'm ready. We just had a bit of a drama because we couldn't find the drive-in cinema. It's at this place called Highlands Park. If anyone knows Chelmsford, then you probably know Highlands Park. But there are 2 entrances. 50-50 chance we went to the wrong entrance, drove all through the estate.
Empty car park.
Empty car parks, no one sat in the cars. But we're here now, we're in the queue. We're here, we've got our Bluetooth speaker. The screen is just there. Oh, is it raining? Oh no, it's just started raining. This is so cool that we've got the speaker, isn't it? Although the other cars next to us are very, very close. It's a bit awkward.
We're also very near the burger van.
These menus have just arrived. Basically, we just text the number with our order and our position and they bring it to the car. Our food's just arrived. I got a chili burger. We got some cheesy chips. We've got Cokes. Good morning everyone. Today is Saturday, it's my dad's birthday today, so we're about to go out for a nice family breakfast. So I'll bring you with me. We're going to a little cafe called Stop the World in Leigh-on-Sea. It's like probably the most famous cafe in Leigh. And it's absolutely freezing today. We woke up this morning and our heating's gone. So that's good. The boiler's stopped working. Love that. So it's absolutely freezing in our house right now, hence why I've got a scarf and coat on already. It's only about 9:15 in the morning. It is honestly so cold. My hands are frozen. And the boiler man has said he can't come in until Tuesday. Good. So guys, it's a lot later now. Today I've got a bit of a spontaneous plan. So this evening I'm going into London. I'm going to a gig with a few friends, and then I think we're going out in London after, possibly staying in London tonight, but equally not sure, so might be coming home tonight. It's just one of those spontaneous nights, you know. So I'm not going to bring my camera with me because I don't know what this night entails. I will film a few bits on my phone, but other than that I'm going to pick my camera up again tomorrow. Let's see what the night holds. The night is young. I'm such a middle-aged man. Morning. Let's just not talk about my face or anything. I'm gonna go and meet Chelsea now for a white hot chocolate, and then she's coming back here for a Christmas day. Festive. We've come out for lunch now. I've gone for a chicken breast, parma ham, pesto and mozzarella grilled toasty. Love it. I'm very ready for this. Hi guys, me and Chelsea are back now. Chelsea is here. Oh, you can kind of see her. There she is. We've just got home. As you saw, we've been out for lunch today, but I haven't done my advent calendar for a couple of days. I need to update you guys, so let's go. On the 14th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me. Are you laughing?
I wasn't expecting it.
Oh, that's my little jingle for every day. You've put me off. On the 14th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me a British Rose exfoliating gel body scrub. We love a jingle. On the 15th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me a strawberry born lippy. And today is the 16th. On the 16th day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me an almond milk and honey body butter. I'm actually really happy about this one. The song wasn't the best, but I love this. But anyway, like I said, Chelsea and I are now back. We are ready to start our Christmas day. We're going to put a Christmas film on. We've been to Asda and bought snacks. We've got chocolates. We've got smoothies. We've got popcorn. Very excited, so that's what we're going to do. And I'll catch up with you in a bit. We've gone for the princess switch. We've got our snacks out. Lovely. We're all cosy with a blanket on. Wow, I'm really zoomed in. You can't really see anything. But this is what we're watching. Cute. I'm just about to take Chelsea home. Bye, Chelsea. Bye. Wow, we love cough.
Ooh. Ah, I wanna know. Is that what you're singing? Got my Energized smoothie. Got your Energized smooth. Oh, I've just lost it.
Oh, Chelsea.
I've actually lost it. I actually can't find it, Han.
Put my headlights on. Lovely.
I'd like to be able to see where you're driving.
Yep, that'd be good, wouldn't it?
What? I can't even see anything. Like, how are you gonna drive right now?
One taught me love, one taught me patience. Thank you. Next, give me that, 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 give me that. I'm saying 'cause you give me all your money. I'm a bad girlfriend. I'm a bad girlfriend.
Hey guys, so today is Monday and I've just finished editing this vlog. It's now 12:30, so if you're watching this on Monday, this is me today. I've had a shower, washed my hair. As you saw the other day, it was actually my dad's birthday and I bought him an Alexa. I don't want to say it too loud, otherwise she's gonna listen. But when I'm home alone, she's literally like my BFF. Like, I talk to her all the time. Alexa, play Last Christmas.
Last Christmas by Wham. Starting now.
I love her. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Two parrots were sitting on a perch. One said to the other, "Can you smell fish?"
I don't get it. That wasn't her best one. I've got a very exciting weekly vlog next week because my best friend comes back from New York tomorrow. If you don't know, she's living out there at the minute. She's studying drama out there and she comes home for Christmas. I'm so excited. And then this week is also my mum's birthday and I have a very exciting surprise for her. So that will be in next week's weekly vlog. And yesterday I uploaded my actual evening routine. Very realistic, and I was really happy with that video. So if you haven't seen that, I will leave it linked in the description down below. Put it on a card somewhere here. Go and check it out because I really like that video. But anyway, I think that's everything. So I hope you have a lovely week. Let me know in the comments down below what's the best thing that's happened to you recently. I would love to know. But anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. It might be a Christmas baking video. Who knows? Bye!